Hey there, today we're here to talk about the GenAI Agent Workshop. You can see the repository right here. This repository contains everything you need to build a GenAI agent from start to finish. The GenAI agent you'll create is a Kubernetes agent or subject matter expert. It includes everything from a dataset, instructions, and images along the way to help you to get to the finish line. The very first step in your journey is to create a Spaces object store. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now that we have created our Spaces bucket, we need to upload our data set. To do this, all we need to do is go to the repository, go to Kubernetes walkthrough, extract the zip file, copy and paste the 3 directories contained within the zip file into your Spaces bucket. Once you have your data set uploaded to the Spaces bucket, we need to generate and create a knowledge base from your data set. Navigate to the GenAI platform by selecting the link on the left-hand side. Then to create a knowledge base, scroll down and navigate to Create a Knowledge Base. Give your knowledge base a name, select your data source, what data center you want it to live in, pick the embeddings model, and click Create a Knowledge Base to start the process. Next, select the knowledge base. You can see that the knowledge base is backed by an open search database. Indexing and generating the embeddings is going to take some time. We'll wait for this to complete, and then we'll come back to finish the rest of the process. Now that the creation of your knowledge base is finished and your embeddings have been created, we can move on to creating your GenAI agent. In step 3 of our creation of our Kubernetes GenAI agent, navigate to the GenAI platform, go to Create Agent, enter in a name for your Kubernetes agent, copy and paste the agent instructions from the tutorial walkthrough, select the model type that you'd like to use. Check to agree to the terms and conditions. Identify your knowledge base. And go ahead and click Create Agent. The agent deployment will start, and it will take a few minutes to complete. Once your agent's deployed, there are several options that you can change in order to optimize the output of your agent. Go to Playground, click Settings, max out the tokens. I prefer to reduce the creativity to give more predictable results. Update your settings. Wait for the new settings to take effect. Go ahead and type your first message to your GenAI agent. How do I troubleshoot a crash backoff loop error in Kubernetes? Go ahead and ask your agent. And you should get a very thoughtful, detailed response from your agent in order to fix this particular problem. Some other things you might be interested in doing: click Overview, change the endpoint to public. This exposes your endpoint to the internet to be able to be queried via API. And there you have it. You've created your own GenAI agent, a Kubernetes agent, a subject matter expert which can answer any and all Kubernetes related questions that you might give it. And you created your GenAI agent without needing to know any of the implementation details for creating a RAG agent. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.